baby, show me.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Shopaholics AMPM, and today we'll be unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy 50 which was recently launched in India for Rs 2500 via Flipkart. So let's get straight to the video. So guys, this is the box, let's keep it aside. In this little box we've got some paperwork and the user manual. I guess this must be the charging cradle. Yeah, this is the charging cradle, and this is the band itself. Now we are done with the Bluetooth pairing, so let's check out the band first. So we got sleep, climate, calendar, heart rate, the main watch face, steps. So not sure why it's showing 300 steps and 900 calories. Now let's check out the app. So it's got 59% battery right from the start. Yeah, so the app has got alarm and weather. Find my band, let's see if it works or not. Yeah, it works. It's vibrating, alright. So what else we got? We got many notifications, so we can choose the apps we want, widgets. So we can add or remove the widgets we want. It's calendar, weather, sleep, heart rate, calories, steps. Then vibration, and it's turned on. Advanced. So we got a few options for screen wake up. Raise to lift the wrist and double tap. Then we got dim screen, D&D, and yeah, that's what it is. And we also got a few watch faces. Seems like there are 6 of them, so let's see how it looks. I like this one. This one seems pretty good. So yeah, that's what the app is, guys. If you want the complete data of sleep analysis, steps tracking, heart rate, for that you have to download the Samsung Health app. It will give you all your analytics. So let me just try it on and see how it feels. You'll notice is how light it is. It weighs just 15 grams, which is even lighter than the Mi Band 3 and Honor Band 4, and it has a 0.7 inch screen which is P AMOLED, and the silicone strap is really comfortable and extremely light. That's how, and this is how it gets locked, so it's extremely secure. You shouldn't worry that the strap will fall off. And the band is 5 atm water resistant, so so taking it into the swimming pool shouldn't be a worry. And when it comes to the battery life, it's a 70 mAh battery which can last for around 5 to 6 days. That's what Samsung claims, but we'll see how it goes, how much battery life it actually gives us. And 6 days is actually kind of it's very less compared to the other competitors. Mi Band 3 can give 15 days. The Honor Band 4 can last up to, that can also last up to 15-20 days. So that's what it is. Let's see if we can, yeah, we can actually remove the strap, which is really good. So we can remove it. That's nice. It has a continuous heart rate sensor. So that's the unboxing and first look of this Samsung Galaxy 50 smart band. Stay tuned for our videos, guys. I'll be comparing this band with Honor Band 4 and the Mi Band 4. I'll be unboxing Mi Band 4 in a couple of days. So like and share this video, and Do not forget to subscribe to our channel, that is Shopaholics AMPM. See you soon. Bye.